Book a table. I'd like to book a table for 2 at 7 p.m. please. Menu. Would it be possible to get a menu please? Clear the table. May I have a table cleared please? Set the table. The waiter set the table for our dinner. Order. Can I order a kid's meal for my son? Cook. The chef will cook the meal to perfection. Serve. The waiter served the food with a smile. Eat. Eat up. It's delicious. Chat. Let's have a chat about the latest news. Drink. He drank the water quickly to quench his thirst. Toast. Let's toast the glass to many more years of happiness. Ask the bill. We are ready for the bill. Thank you. Pay. I'll pay the bill with my credit card. Leave the restaurant. We are done. Let's leave the restaurant. Tip. I'll cover the bill. You cover the tip.